everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the underrated yet profitable business in Nigeria, palm oil. Yes, that red oil you used to can actually make you a millionaire if you play your cards right. I'm going to show you exactly how to make millions from palm oil in Nigeria with a step-by-step guide. If you're tired of small money and you want a business that can scale, feed your family, and build generational wealth, this is for you. Let's get started. Part 1. Why palm oil? First things first, let's talk facts. Palm oil is used daily in almost every Nigerian home for cooking, soap, creams, and even in industry. Nigeria is the 5th largest producer in the world, but we still import palm oil. That means the demand is way higher than the supply. And here is the kicker. You can start small and grow big. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home mom, or full-time hustler, this business has an entry point for you. Part 2. How to start. Now let's break down the levels. There are 3 main ways to enter the palm oil business. The first one is retailing. Buying in gallons or jerry cans and reselling in smaller sizes. Low capital but fast cash. The second one is bulk trading. Buying in large quantities during harvest season, storing and reselling later at higher prices. This is where big money hides. The third is production. That's the farming. Starting your own palm plantation or running a small mill to process palm oil fruit into oil. This is a long-term wealth. Pick your lane depending on your capital and risk tolerance. Part 3 is retail business. Example. Let us say you're starting small with 50,000 to 200,000 naira. Here is a simple plan. Find a reliable supplier, check local markets in Imo State, Edo, Akwa Ibom, or even my 2 in Lagos. Buy 25-liter gallons at wholesale price, around 25,000 naira to 30,000 naira each, depending on the season. Repackage into 1 liter, 2 liter, or 5-liter bottles and sell with profit margin of 500 to 1,500 per bottle. Sell to homes, local food sellers, and on WhatsApp, Facebook, or at local markets. If you sell 100 bottles a month, that's an extra 100k to 300k profit, depending on how smart you sell. Part 4. Bulk storage business. Now, here is where real money starts. Buying and storing palm oil in large quantities during the peak season, that's from February to April, and selling it during off-season from September to October. Look at the maths. In peak season, 25 gallons might go for 35,000 naira per one. By December, they sell for 47,000 naira or even more. That's a profit of 12,000 naira per gallon. If you invest in 100 gallons, that's over 1.2 million naira in a profit. Invest 100 gallons. That means 1.2 million naira profit in just a few months. You will need proper storage, a cool, dry place with light lids. Palm oil can stay good for over a year if stored right. Part 5. Supply chain and production. Now, if you want to go big and own your own supply, start exploring palm plantations or owning a small mill. You can lease land in states like Imo State, Ondo State, Delta State, Cross River, anywhere. Start with improved palm seedlings and harvest in 3 to 4 years. Or partner with local farmers and build a palm oil mill to process their fruits for a fee or for oil share. This particular one takes more capital, 2 million to 5 million to start, but the returns can be tens of millions annually once it scales. Part 6. Tips to scale fast. Here are some game-changing tips to scale faster. 1. Use social media, build a brand, post content, use WhatsApp status, Facebook Marketplace, and Instagram to reach buyers. 2. Partner with food vendors and market women. Give discounts for bulk buyers. 3. Use savings or cooperative loans to buy more during the harvest season. 4. Reinvest profit. Don't eat your seed. Grow your gallons each season. Part 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's keep it real. Avoid these common mistakes. Always test the oil before buying in bulk. Palm oil can go bad and smell if not stored well. Not researching the market because prices change per state. Ignoring documentation. Here, if you're going big, register your business. Now, you have the full blueprint to make millions from palm oil in Nigeria. Whether you're starting small or going big, don't wait for perfect time. Start with what you have, learn and grow. If this video added value, like, share and drop a comment for more finance tips to grow your money in 2025. See you in the next video. Bye.